When you want to send emails from System.io, you face newsletters or campaigns. What are the difference between these two? A newsletter is just one email. A campaign can be one or more emails. So we have that from the start. A newsletter is something you use when you want to send an email to your whole list or to a segment of your list only at a specific period of time. For instance, today or tomorrow or in a month. A campaign, on the other hand, is not something you decide when you send it, but more when the user performs certain action. For instance, when they sign up for your freebie, you subscribe them to a campaign, not to a newsletter. So the newsletter is time-based and the campaign is action-based. Newsletter is just one email and campaign can be one or more emails. So with that being said, let's go to System.io and let's see the difference. So we are at the newsletter part. Let's just choose one newsletter, and you can see here that this is something that I have already sent, so I can look at the statistics. And then I have chosen here to which segment of my list I want to send this newsletter to. Now, let's exit this. On the other hand, when we go to the campaigns, I see how many emails are inside this campaign. When I created a campaign, we have the name and the description. And when we click on one campaign, the one that doesn't have anything in the delay is the first email that will be sent the moment they are subscribed to the campaign. And then here you can see how many contacts emails have used this. So, and then you have the status. So we see that the first 3 emails aren't being sent. So when someone is subscribed to this campaign, these 2 emails are being sent. This is a new campaign, that's why there's no data in here. But let's go to a different campaign. So if we go to a different campaign, we'll see we have information here about emails, open rate, click rate, and then the status, of course. So this is the difference in a nutshell between campaigns and newsletters. Let me know if this was useful in the comments below. Till we meet again in the next video.